Getting to know someone. What's your name?
My name is John.
Where are you from?
I am from UK.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 2 brothers.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
Where do you study?
I stud at CCS University.
What do you study?
I study computer.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
Do you have pet?
No, I don't have pet.
Do you speak any other languages?
Yes, I speak a little English.
What's your hobby?
I like reading book.
What books do you read?
I read novels.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play football.
How often do you play football?
I play once a week.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Do you like travel?
Yes, I love travel.
What's your dream job?
My dream job is to an engineer.
Have you been to other countries?
Yes, I've been to France and Italy.
Day 2. Daily routine. What time do you wake up?
I wake up 6 a.m.
What do you do after you wake up?
I brush my teeth and take a shower.
What do you have for breakfast?
I have bread and milk.
Who do you go to school?
I take the bus.
What's your first class?
My first class is English.
Who is your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher is Mr. Smith.
What do you during break?
I play with my friends.
What do you have for lunch?
I have a sandwich and an apple.
What time do classes end?
Classes end at 4 p.m.
What do you do after school?
I do my homework.
Do you watch TV in the evening?
Yes, I watch a little TV.
What shows do you watch?
I watch cartoons and movies.
You help at home?
Yes, I help with the dishes.
What time do you have dinner?
I have dinner at 8 p.m.
What's your favorite dinner food?
I love rice and vegetables.
Do you read before bed?
Yes, I read for a little while.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Do you have a bedtime routine?
Yes, I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Do you sleep well?
Yes, I usually sleep very well.
What do you about?
I dream about my holidays.
Day 3. Hobbies and free time. What are your hobbies?
I enjoy panting and playing.
How often do you play?
I play on weekends.
What do you like to play?
I like play football.
Do you have a car?
Yes, I have a car.
Where do you drive the car?
I drive the car for going to market.
Do you watch movies?
Yes, I watch movies on Friday nights.
What type of movies do you like?
I like comedy and love story movies.
Do you play video games?
No, I don't play video games.
What do you do to relax?
I listen to music to relax.
What music do you listen to?
I listen to classical music.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I like dancing very much.
Can you play my musical instruments?
I can play the guitar a little.
Do you like to sing?
Yes, I enjoy singing.
Do you have a favorite singer?
My favorite is Sonu Nagham.
Do you go to concerts?
I've been to a few concerts.
Do you collect anything?
Yes, I collect books.
How many books do you have?
I have over 100 books.
Do you like to dram?
Yes, I like drawing cartoons.
Do you have any indoor hobbies?
I enjoy cooking and baking.
What's your favorite thing to bake?
I love baking cookies.
Day 4. Food and eating out. What did you have for breakfast?
I had fruits and juice.
Do you like coffee or tea?
I prefer tea.
What's your favorite cuisine?
I love Italian cuisine.
Can you cook Italian food?
Yes, I can make pasta and pizza.
Do you eat out often?
Not very often, maybe once a month.
What's your favorite restaurant?
There's a small American restaurant I love.
What do you usually order there?
I usually order pizza and cold drink. No, I don't.
Do you like spicy food?
No, I don't like it too spicy.
What's your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
Do you prefer dining in or takeout?
I prefer dining in.
Do you like fast food?
Only occasionally.
Great job following our English lesson today. You did well to listen and practice so much. Your support helps us to create more helpful content for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Thank you for watching.